Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Linda. We're so excited to have you with us today. Whether you're at home, studying, or relaxing, thank you for joining us.
Today, we're exploring three important structures: could be, and could have.
These expressions talk about ability, possibility, and missed opportunities.
Understanding all three makes your English more expressive.
They're used constantly in everyday conversation.
By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly when to use each one.
Before we start, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
All right, let's get started.
First, let's understand what could is.
Could is a modal verb.
It's the past form of can, but has many special uses.
It expresses ability, possibility, suggestions, and polite requests.
Now, let's explore each form.
Form 1. Could plus base verb.
This is the basic form of could.
Could swim. I could swim. She could help. They could come. Uses of could plus base verb.
Use 1, past ability, what you were able to do before.
When I was young, I could run very fast. I had that ability.
She could speak 3 languages when she was a child, past ability.
Use 2, present possibility, something that might be true now.
He could be at home, maybe he's at home.
That could work. Maybe it will work.
Use 3, future possibility, something that might happen.
It could rain tomorrow. Maybe it will rain.
We could go to the beach. It's a possibility.
Use 4, making suggestions.
You could try calling her. Suggestion.
We could meet at 3 p.m., suggesting an option.
Use 5, polite requests.
Could you help me? More polite than can you help me?
Could I borrow your pen? Very polite.
Form 2, could be plus adjective, noun, or verb ing.
This adds the verb be after could.
Structure, subject plus could plus be plus adjective, noun, or verb ing.
Examples with adjectives.
This could be difficult.
It could be dangerous. She could be right.
Examples with nouns.
He could be a doctor. This could be the answer. It could be a mistake.
Examples with continuous could be verb ing. She could be sleeping. They could be working. He could be lying.
When to use could be.
Use it for possible states or ongoing actions.
States, this could be true. Maybe it's true.
Continuous, she could be studying right now. Maybe she's studying.
Form 3, could have plus past participle.
This talks about past possibilities that didn't happen.
Structure, subject plus could have plus past participle.
I could have gone. She could have helped. They could have won. This expresses missed opportunities or unrealized possibilities.
Uses of could have.
Use 1, missed opportunities.
I could have been a dancer. I had the ability, but I didn't do it.
We could have left earlier. It was possible, but we didn't.
Use 2, past possibilities, what was possible in the past.
You could have been hurt. It was a possibility.
He could have won the race. He had the ability.
Use 3, criticism or regret about the past. You could have told me. You didn't tell me, and I'm upset.
I could have done better. Regret about my performance.
The key differences.
Could plus verb equals past ability or present or future possibility.
Could be equals possible states or continuous actions now.
Could have equals past possibilities that didn't happen.
Different times and meanings.
Let's practice with a conversation.
Hi, Linda. I'm trying to decide where to go on vacation.
Oh, you could go to Italy. The weather could be perfect in spring.
That's a good idea. I could visit Rome and Venice.
You know, when I was younger, I could speak Italian, but I've forgotten most of it.
Really? You could have been a translator.
Maybe, but I chose a different career. Where else could you go?
I could go to Japan. It could be an amazing experience.
That could be expensive, though. Could you afford it?
I could have saved more money this year, but I spent too much.
Well, you could always go somewhere closer and cheaper.
True. I could be overthinking this. Maybe I should just pick somewhere.
You could be right. Just choose and enjoy.
Thanks. By the way, could you recommend a good travel agency?
Sure, they could help you plan everything.
Did you notice all 3 forms?
You could go to Italy, present possibility or suggestion.
The weather could be perfect, possible state.
I could visit Rome, future possibility.
I could speak Italian. Past ability.
You could have been a translator, missed opportunity.
Where else could you go? Possibility question.
It could be an amazing experience, possible state.
It could be expensive. Possible state.
Could you afford it? Question about ability.
I could have saved more. Past unrealized possibility.
You could be overthinking, present continuous possibility.
Could you recommend? Polite request.
They could help you, possibility.
All 3 forms used naturally.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Mistake 1. Using wrong form for time.
Wrong. I could have go. Correct. I could have gone. Past participle.
Wrong. I could went. Correct. I could go. Base verb.
Match the form.
Mistake 2. Confusing could with can.
Wrong. When I was young, I can swim. Correct. When I was young, I could swim.
Use could for past ability.
Mistake 3. Using could of instead of could have.
Wrong. I could have done it. Correct. I could have done it.
It's could have, never could of.
Mistake 4. Forgetting have in past.
Wrong. I could done it. Correct. I could have done it.
Always include have for past.
Mistake 5. Confusing possibility with certainty.
Wrong. It could rain if you're 100% certain. Better, it will rain.
Use could for possibilities, not certainties.
Negative forms.
Couldn't plus base verb.
I couldn't swim. She couldn't help. They couldn't come.
Couldn't be plus adjective or continuous.
This couldn't be right. He couldn't be sleeping.
Couldn't have plus past participle.
I couldn't have known. She couldn't have done that.
Same patterns in negative.
Questions with could.
Could plus subject plus verb.
Could you help? Could she come? Could they hear?
Could plus subject plus be.
Could you be wrong? Could this be true? Could they be lost?
Could plus subject have plus past participle.
Could you have known? Could she have lied? Could they have won?
Questions follow same patterns.
Your challenge for this week.
Day 1. Write 10 sentences using could for past ability.
Day 2. Write 10 sentences using could be for possibilities.
Day 3. Write 10 sentences using could have for missed opportunities.
Day 4. Practice polite requests with could.
Day 5. Make suggestions using could.
Day 6. Notice which form native speakers use in conversations.
Day 7. Explain the 3 forms to another learner.
By week's end, you'll use them naturally.
Understanding could be doing.
Could be plus verb ing shows possible ongoing action now.
She could be sleeping right now. Maybe she's sleeping.
They could be waiting for us, possibly waiting.
It describes possible continuous actions.
Understanding could have been.
You can combine could have with been.
I could have been a singer. Missed career opportunity.
It could have been worse. Fortunately, it wasn't.
We could have been friends, but we're not.
Combines past possibility with states.
Contrasts.
In speaking, we contract could.
Could have becomes could have. Sounds like could of.
Could not becomes couldn't.
Listen for these in native speech.
Could for polite requests.
Could is very polite.
Could you pass the salt?
Could I ask you a question?
Could you please help me?
Much more polite than can.
Could for suggestions.
Could makes gentle suggestions.
You could try a different approach.
We could meet tomorrow instead.
She could ask for help.
Softer than commands.
Could versus can.
Important distinction.
Can equals present ability or permission.
I can swim. I have this ability now.
Could equals past ability, possibility, or polite form.
I could swim when I was young. Past ability.
Could is more polite than can in requests.
Could you help is more polite than can you help.
Could versus might versus may.
All express possibility.
Could suggests more ability or likelihood.
It could rain. Some possibility.
Might and may are similar but suggest less certainty.
It might rain. It may rain. Less certain.
Subtle differences.
Real-life contexts.
Talking about abilities.
When I was a kid, I could climb any tree. She could play piano beautifully.
Expressing possibilities.
This could be the solution. He could be the one we need.
Discussing missed chances.
I could have gone to that concert. We could have bought that house.
Different situations.
Could in reported speech.
Can changes to could in reported speech.
Direct. I can help you. Reported. He said he could help me.
Direct. Can you come? Reported. She asked if I could come.
Common transformation.
Could for uncertainty.
When you're not sure, use could.
I could be wrong. I'm not certain.
She could be anyone. Uncertain identity.
This could mean anything. Many possibilities.
Expressing doubt.
Could have been doing.
Combining continuous with past possibility.
She could have been lying. Past continuous possibility.
They could have been watching us. We're not sure.
Advanced structure.
Emphasis with could.
Adding emphasis to possibilities.
You could easily win. This could really help.
I could definitely do that. She could probably succeed.
Adverbs add emphasis.
Couldn't versus couldn't have.
Important distinction.
I couldn't go equals I wasn't able to go. Past fact.
I couldn't have gone. It was impossible even if I wanted to.
Different shades of meaning.
Comparing all three forms.
Same situation, different forms.
Past ability. I could speak French when I was young.
Present possibility. I could speak to him today.
Possible state. This could be in French.
Past unrealized. I could have spoken to him yesterday, but I didn't.
All about speaking. Different perspectives.
Cultural expressions.
Common phrases with could.
I could die. Exaggeration. Very embarrassed or excited.
You could say that. Agreeing somewhat.
It couldn't hurt. Worth trying.
I couldn't agree more. Total agreement.
Natural expressions.
More detailed examples.
Let's see more real-life usage.
At work.
Could you send me the report? Polite request.
This could be a good opportunity for the team. Possibility.
We could have finished earlier if we had more help. Missed possibility.
At home.
I could cook dinner tonight. Suggestion.
The kids could be playing outside. Possible ongoing action.
I could have cleaned the house, but I was too tired. Unrealized past.
With friends.
We could go to the movies. Suggestion.
She could be running late. Present possibility.
You could have invited me. Criticism about the past.
Different contexts.
Could with different subjects.
works the same with all subjects.
I could go. You could try. He could help. She could know. It could work. We could leave. They could win.
Same form for everyone.
Could in conditional sentences.
Second conditional with could.
If I had more time, I could help you. Hypothetical.
If she tried harder, she could succeed. Possibility.
If they had tried harder, they could have won. Past unrealized.
If they had known, they could have helped. Unreal past.
If they had practiced, they could have won. Missed opportunity.
Both conditionals use could.
Could for deduction, making logical guesses.
She's not answering. She could be in a meeting. Logical guess.
The door's open. Someone could have forgotten to lock it. Past deduction.
Using evidence to make possibilities.
Couldn't for impossibility.
Couldn't shows something is impossible.
He couldn't have done it. He was with me. Impossible.
That couldn't be true. I don't believe it. Expressing impossibility.
Could for offers.
Making polite offers.
I could help you with that. Offering.
We could give you a ride. Offering assistance.
Friendly and helpful.
Timeline visualization.
Past. I could swim when I was 5. Past ability.
Past unrealized. I could have become a doctor. Didn't happen.
Present. I could help you now. Present possibility.
Future. I could visit tomorrow. Future possibility.
Clear time perspectives.
Quick review.
Could plus base verb equals past ability or present or future possibility.
Could be plus adjective, noun, or verb ing equals possible states or ongoing actions.
Could have plus past participle equals missed opportunities or unrealized past.
Could for polite requests and gentle suggestions.
Negative, couldn't, plus verb, plus be, plus have.
Questions. Could plus subject plus verb plus be plus have.
Could've sounds like could of, but right could have.
Could is more polite than can.
Different from would, possibility versus hypothetical.
You now understand all three forms completely.
These are essential for expressing possibilities and abilities.
Practice all three in different contexts.
If you enjoyed this episode, thumbs up.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more clear lessons.
Leave a comment. I blank speak English fluently. Use could.
We love seeing you practice.
Keep learning, keep practicing, keep building confidence.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.